Just when you thought the Seiko Speedtimer range couldn't get any better, they come out with this beauty here. This is the Seiko SSC917P Black Series, a 39mm solar chronograph wearing a brushed black stainless steel outfit with specs of new and improved LumiBright Pro. More on that later. Don't forget to like this video if you like this watch. Okay, right off the bat, this midnight feel is something to behold. The entire case, bezel and bracelet uses a very fine brush texture to offer up a semi-matte look with just enough shine. The crown and pushers are of course black, the entire clasp system black, and the case back is, you guessed it, black. Really, the only surface that isn't truly black are the 3 subdials, which double up as the solar receptors. They take on a very dark color indeed, but it's a touch closer to a midnight purple. Otherwise, we have white details in the bezel and dial, which are classic markings of a chronograph watch. The dial plate itself is a truly matte surface, which looks awesome contrasting against the polished stainless steel battens, which I believe are black, but they reflect enough light to seem closer to a stainless steel look. On top of those batons and filling out the center of the minute and hour hands is the aforementioned LumiBright Pro, which grows a luminescent hue that stands out in low lighting. Sounds like normal LumiBright, right? No. The difference here is that this new lume is especially developed to display the same color in both light and dark environments. A normal lume would appear white in bright light like we're used to, but this maintains its signature lime green tone throughout day and night. This is something I haven't come across before, and I'm pretty sure it's new to the watch market. I think it really adds to the midnight stealthy look this watch harbors. It's actually pretty impressive if you ask me. Darth Vader looks aside, this watch is going to be as reliable as you could get. With its solar charge movement, you'll never have to worry about winding it up, and the batteries in these will last you years. Accuracy is stated at plus or minus 15 seconds a month within its operating temp, which is very accurate. A 6-month power reserve ensures it'll keep ticking over as long as it's exposed to some light. It can be artificial or natural light. And you can check the battery reserve via the minute subdial at 6 o'clock when the main second hand isn't ticking over. Just give the bottom pusher a push and it'll show you how much battery you have. The dimensions on these Speedtimers are almost perfect for average size wrists. A 39mm diameter is the sweet spot for a lot of people, and the thickness of 13.3mm ensures it's fairly chunky but not too thick. It fits really well on my wrist and the links feel nice and smooth. Overall, the Seiko Speedtimer models offer ridiculous value for money. With its timeless looks and deadly accuracy, you can't go wrong wearing one of these every day. They look a lot more expensive than they are, and there's a good reason why there's so much buzz around them at the moment. If you like this watch, make sure to hit the like button and let me know if you'd wear this watch in the comment section down below. If you really liked this watch, click the link in the description to buy it online at watchdepot.com.au. These won't last long. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.